Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Oracle Application Express. It's good to have you on board. My name is Vejandro and I'm an Oracle Application Express developer and a web developer. So Oracle Application Express, shortly termed as Oracle Apex, which I'll be using the term in most of this course. So I worked with Oracle Apex a lot and I can tell you it's very simple and easy to learn to develop complex Oracle SQL driven web application. The SQL driven part is especially important because Oracle Apex takes advantage of using Oracle database at the backend, and also it uses JavaScript and jQuery library at the front end. You can learn these days as a full stack web developer, and for a good reason you will learn all of these core features in this course. And way more than that, you will learn what Oracle Apex is and how it provides and why you might want to use it. You will learn how to create pages from scratch, which Oracle Apex provides as a wizard step, and how to create forms, interactive grids, charts, calendar, and various kinds of reports, and also how to navigate to model dialog from a normal page, and more importantly, how to secure a page. We will build an entire Oracle application throughout the course. Oracle Apex comes with default productivity apps. You can find it for free. Therefore, you will have way more than just a solid understanding of Oracle Apex and will be able to dive deeper into more challenging projects and apply for jobs or become an Oracle Apex developer as a freelancer or whatever your goal is. So, let's get started.